puppies are awake and they are playing.
Cute si Jerry.
They are caressing one to another. Look. Oh,
Playing
They're
with each
biting.
other.
kissing, hugging,
Hello.
playing.
Kani si ano may cute o bebe si Elik. Oh, sige, kuha ka. Kaming food. Play food. Amuch, ngayon silag food. Pasan ako no ilang milk?
Oh, they are gathering together, hugging each other, biting. Ano.
We don't think eat yet.
Gani, ilan nagi ano?
But the other one, Dash is sleeping again. Mr. Dash and Elik. Elik and Dash. Laro.
Puro na sila gamata. Dagok na sila, nagulang na. Pero dako mo magun. Ay, cute rin si Elik. Wala, may nga pong tutaani nila. Mga ano
Gani,
nila,
mga
may
cute,
manghilak
cute.
ani panghatag.
Cute mo kaya.
Agkabantay na na.
Mother Amos
Cute this
is
baby.
relaxing. And Pipi sleeping. But Jerlix is now awake.
Oh, Fifi and Cake.
Asik na yan. Cake na yan. Ano dito na dahil feeding time.
Atong, ano, swato?
Movie. Oo.
What?
Si Dash, si Bailey, si Jerlig, si Ash, si Cake, ug si Fifi. Si Elik ang nasa ilalong.
They are walking and the others are still sucking the mother's milk. So who are these? Oh, 4 of them are still not finished. Okay. 4 and then nandoon si Dash and maybe Cake. Hello, Cake. And this is Ash. Ash. They are done feeding. Jerlix done feeding with these 2 boys. Dash and who is this? Elik. And this is Cake. They are almost done, all of them are finished.
Gusto mo na. Si Cake. 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 Cake.
Ano mo ito po? Laro, laro.
Buka, buka.
Laro mo.
Ha? Ah. Ah. Ha?
Hello, Da! Ay, si Fifi. Din cute po. Cute si Fifi. Cute. Ah, ito si Jeremy.
Laro, laro. Nantok na o laro?
Hayag na.
Hmm. Kulang isa. Kulang lang isa. 6 lang to.
Yun, natulog si
This corner. In this corner, us sleeping.